beautiful people, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing awesome. So guys, I'm back again with yet another video of mine. So guys, in my previous videos, if you're following all my videos closely, you must be remembering that I did mention the fact that I want to create content other than fashion and lifestyle. So this is the reason why I have come up with this video, and I really want to thank my friend Arjun for always suggesting me some good YouTube or some trending YouTube video ideas. So from there I have picked it up. Guys, also I gave another thought that with these videos of mine where I'll be chit-chatting with you guys, you will get to know me better. You will know me as a person, right? As to what sort of a girl Aarti is, what she likes to do, what she doesn't like, what she's really fond of, etc, etc. So I'll try to come up with more such quirky, so to say quirky content for you guys. I'm very excited to share it with you. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So guys, this is a lockdown for everyone, and so it is for me, and I've been doing work from home since a long time, but I have got my bag ready just in case I need to step out. So this is my bag, guys. Chotu sa bag, very simple black bag. I always like simple bags, but you know, let me tell you very honestly, I purchased this bag very recently from Myntra, and I wanted to change my bag for a reason that my previous bag got worn out. बहुत ही खराब हो गया था, and this time I wanted a simple plain black bag because it looks, you know, it never goes out of fashion, and I wanted a simple one without any pocket, or I didn't want a baggy, you know, big bag, no. So I happen to like this and I just bought it. So ये fast track का bag है, and I really like the handles. I mean, simple होने के साथ साथ these handles are really creating a statement. So that's why I liked it. And guys, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. As you can see, no pockets, nothing. And there are 3 compartments inside. बीच में एक zipper है, and first compartment is here and the last compartment is here. Like this. So yeah, this is my bag. Okay, so guys, honestly speaking, I don't carry much in my bag. I don't like heavy loaded handbags. इसकी अगर आपको बहुत ही heavy loaded चाहिए तो आप फिर you know, you can carry some other bags, but handbags I try to keep it very light, and just keep things which are of my daily use and something that I cannot live without. So let's get started. So first and foremost, guys, what I have is my wallet. It is very important because you can't travel without this. So guys, this is a wallet from Baguette, from Baguette, and I really like the color combination, the color contrast. So I got this. I don't keep much loose cash or cash for that matter. मैं usually card से ही transaction करती हूँ, तो ज़्यादा मेरे पास cash होता नहीं है. And all the essential cards are here. So yeah, this is my wallet. इसके बाद guys, okay, since I'm stepping out and I'm using public transport, I sort of come, you know, under a lot of sun exposure. तो अपने आप को protect करने के लिए मैं कुछ चीज़ें रखती हूँ, such as this scarf, guys. स्किन के साथ साथ अपने हेयर को भी हमें कवर अप करके रखना चाहिए. सो दिस इज द रीज़न व्हाई आई कीप स्कार्फ इन माय बैग. उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स द सनस्क्रीन, इट्स वेरी एसेंशियल, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर स्टेपिंग आउट इन हॉट समर्स. सो इट्स अ मस्ट गाइस, सनस्क्रीन. आफ्टर दैट, ओके, ऑफ कोर्स you cannot step without sanitizer. So of course sanitizer is always there in my bag. So whenever I need to like sanitize, I quickly use it. So sanitizer is a must. After this, guys, okay, जो हर लड़की के हैंड बैग में मिलेगा आपको, panty liners. So either I keep panty liners or, you know, napkins in my bag so that, you know, कभी भी मुझे ज़रूरत पड़े या किसी और को ज़रूरत पड़े, I'm always available. So yeah. So of course, listening to music is a must when I'm traveling, and I get bored very easily. So I don't like to look here and there, but like to listen to my music. इसकी वजह से मैंने course these are there, hands free. After that guys, I feel we all must read good books. Reading is a very beneficial habit and we must develop this habit. We should always read good books. This is the reason abhi mere bag mein ye book hai, The Mind and Its Control. It is given to me by a very dear friend of mine, Moshni. She's a very spiritual girl and she suggested me this book. So I have this book and I'm reading this. I'm halfway through, going to finish it soon. So I always try to keep some good book or the other. After that guys, of course sanitizer ke sath you also need to keep a spare mask. So wearing a mask is also essential. You cannot do away with this. So of course I also keep a mask. After that guys, so guys, I have told you a number of times that I'm a non-makeup person. Having said that, I am a skincare and hair care freak. So मैं हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ whenever I'm stepping out, I'm totally fortified. Like मैंने अपने आप को पूरी तरीके से secure किया होता है and if I need anything to wipe my skin off and clean my skin or need to protect my hair, I always do that. So अपने स्किन की प्रोटेक्शन के लिए और केयर के लिए मैं हमेशा ये फेशियल वाइप्स जो है हैंडी रखती हूँ. ये हिमालय का है एलोवेरा फेशियल वाइप्स. सो कभी मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा डस्ट या डर्ट मेरे स्किन पे सेटल हो गया तो मैं वॉश कर लेती हूँ. सो दीज आर द वाइप्स. सो वाइप्स के बाद गाइस में क्या, ऑफ कोर्स टोनर. Toner is also a must, especially in summer season. So if you want to give an instant boost to your skin, an instant glow to your skin, then of course always keep a toner handy. और मैं usually अगर आपको मैं अपने वीडियोस फॉलो करते हो तो आपको पता होगा मैं कामा का टोनर यूज़ करती हूँ. So this is there. Comb, wooden comb. We cannot do without a comb, right? After that guys, just like any girl, I keep these scrunchies in my bag and this clutch so that मैं अपने बालों को कभी भी बांध पाऊँ whenever I feel sweaty or not comfortable. Very important to smell good and to have non-sweaty underarms. So for this very reason I keep this Nivea whitening roll-on deo and then of course this perfume from Bath and Body Works, 1000 Wishes. So जब भी ज़रूरत पड़ा या मुझे लगा कि I'm not smelling good, I quickly spray it and instant way to rejuvenate your spirits. Of course, I'm a dry skin girl. मेरी skin बहुत dry हो जाती है and whenever I'm going to washroom and washing my hands, guys मेरे palms बहुत dry हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा, summers में भी. So I got this hand cream for my mum and for myself. It's a very good cream. I link this in the description box below so you can go and check this out in case you need a good hand cream. It intensely moisturizes your hands and also protects your hands from germs. So guys, I'm a non-makeup person. मैंने बहुत बार ये बोला है अपने videos में और पहले भी. So for me, makeup is all about putting a good lipstick, nice pair of statement jewelry or earrings, kajal, mascara and liner. That's about it. So for this very reason, कभी मुझे ज़रूरत होता है in terms of makeup, I keep this tiny lipstick very handy. कभी भी मुझे I need to pep up my look, need to retouch my makeup, I just use this lipstick and I'm good to go. Cool. In order to prevent bad breath, I keep Happydents. So guys, कुछ chew करने के लिए चाहिए होता है. So for this very reason, I keep Happydents. And guys, I also keep some munchies in my bag. So whenever I'm feeling hungry or feel like eating anything, I eat those munchies. Sometimes in the form of dry fruits or some chocolate-filled cookies. अभी तो मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही हूँ, but usually मैं कुछ ना कुछ अपने बैग में ज़रूर रखती हूँ ताकि कभी भी मुझे भूख लगे या मुझे hunger pangs या कुछ भी हो तो मैं कुछ खा पाऊँ. वैसे I have a major sweet tooth problem. मुझे मीठा बहुत पसंद है. This is the very reason I usually keep either chocolate or some chocolate-filled cookies. I have water in my mouth. Also guys, मैं एक नोटबुक हमेशा रखती हूँ अभी तो मेरे पास एक क्लासमेट की नोटबुक है, कभी भी कुछ नोट करना हुआ या कुछ भी मेरे माइंड में आया मुझे लिखना हुआ, या ऑफिस में कभी भी कुछ ज़रूरी कुछ नोट डाउन करना होता है, तो आई ऑलवेज कीप अ नोटबुक. And for this very reason, I have a pen. Also guys, yeah, a mirror. Not a good mirror, I know, but yeah, कभी कभी मिरर की ज़रूरत भी पड़ जाती है अपने आप को देखने के लिए या टच अप करने के लिए. So for this very reason, I have this mirror. No surprise. Yeah, and yeah guys, that's all in my bag. जैसे that's all in my video होता है, ऐसे that's all in my bag. So guys, that was all in this video. I have literally emptied my bag in front of you and spilled the beans. So guys, it's time now for you to tell me what all you keep in your bag and what are the things that are missing in my bag. So you can also suggest me a few things. Yeah, I'll be eagerly waiting for your comments guys, and of course for all the details related to what you keep in your bag. On this note guys, please take very good care of yourselves, take good care of your loved ones, and you know the drill. You have to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please जल्दी से जाके like करिए, comment करिए and subscribe करिए, and आगे forward करिए मेरी videos को अपने friends को and अपने loved ones को. And on this note guys, take very good care of yourself. Good night, bye bye, and loads of love and hugs and kisses.